Hi, welcome to EMS. In this video, we are going to show how to describe student discount and fine, student fine, uh, which you will be able to collect the fine or allow discount at the time of collection of the fees. So if you go to fee setup, fees discount, here we already done the fees master, like assign the fees. Now fees discount, and if we go to the add fees discount, so these are the account heads which are coming from the chart of accounts. So it's general discount allowed amount 250 and 7 new. Another one, scholarship discount, I will say that 500 7 new. Another discount, disability discount, I'll say 150 7 new. Another discount, I can say special discount, which will be 200 and 7 close. So you will be able to see these lists if you want to allow or apply discount to any students during the time of collection of fees. Same, we are going to define fine. If we go to add fine, uh, so these are the fine account heads coming from the chart of accounts. So students fine received late fee payment fine, and late fee payment fine, you can describe it here, description, but that is 50p if he is paying later on. 7 new. Next one is attendance fine, you can say 25 a for each day or whatever. 7 new. Another one is library fine, you can say 20 for each book you can collect from them. And other fine, it's general fine, so I will say 100 and 7 close. So when you are going to collect fees and you want to collect fine as well, you can do that during collection of the fees. Or if you want to apply any kind of discount, that will be done from there as well. So that's how we are uh, defining or explaining the fees discount and the amount of fine which we will be going to receive from the students. Thanks for watching.